Ever wish your Galaxy S25 Ultra had easier shortcut for common action? That's exactly what the assistant menu feature does. It's like a floating toolbox that lets you replace hard keys, gesture, and other tricky interaction. Here's how to set it up. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, and then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Select Assistant menu. Without even turning it on, you can already customize how it looks and works. Options include select Assistant menu item to choose which shortcut appear when you tap the Assistant menu icon. Select Apps to show contextual menu suite to show contextual option specific to the app you select. Replace swipe with single tap. You can enable it to make interaction simpler. Assistant menu shortcut to choose your preferred shortcut to easily enable or disable assistant menu. Menu size and transparency to adjust how big and visible it looks. So as its icon, you can enable it to keep the assistant menu icon neatly on the side, and touchpad and cursor control to customize the size and speed of the touchpad and cursor control. Once you are done customizing, just toggle assistant menu on, and the floating menu will appear on the screen. When you tap this icon, you can see a menu of easy to reach button that lets you replace hard keys, gesture, and other command interaction. With this feature, you can make your phone easier to navigate, perfect if you want faster access to shortcut without relying on buttons or gesture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.